हेलो एवरीवन टू हेलोजी क्लास यूट्यूब चैनल ए वीडियो रे कथा बा जो एलटीआर रो जो मेन हबार थिला आर्ट्स रो ताहार जो एडमिट कार्ड रिलीज होला परे मध्य कोन पे एक्सटेंड होला ताहार हियरिंग मध्य ए वीडियो रे मु आगु को देखेबी कोन सब कहा जायछि सेथिरे तो आपण माने वीडियो को शेष पर्यंत देखंतु कोन सब डिटेल्स रे एटा अछि मु ए वीडियो रे आपण माने को जणेबी। तो फास्टली देखि पारथिबे कालिकार डेट रे हमर गोटे नोटिस आछि postponement of main written examination of the TGT Arts under LTR teacher 2024 कही चलते यहाँ डाउनलोड करके देखा कौन कहुई यही नोटिस मध्यम तो यही नोटिस मध्यम कौन कहुई डाउनलोड कला जना पड़ो तो ये कहुई ऑलरेडी डाउनलोड हो गला चलते देखा सब्जेक्ट अच्छी आमर चलतु माने सब्जेक्ट अच्छी आमर पोस्टपोनमेंट ऑफ मेन रिटन एग्जामिनेशन टीजीटी आर्ट्स अंडर एलटीआर टीचर माने आर्ट्स रो खाली आमर जो 22 तारीख रे जो 9:30 रु 11:30 भितर एग्जाम होबार थिला ताहाटा कैंसिल हो जाइछि 22 तारीख जो 22 जून रे होबार थिला किंतु मेन रिटन एग्जामिनेशन टीजीटी साइंस जो सीबीजेड रो होबार थिला 3 रु 5 भितर ताहा एग्जाम हबो बोली कि एथिरे कहा जाइछि आउ एटारो कोर्ट हियरिंग टा भी कोन होछि चलंतु देखिबा डिटेल्स रे कोर्ट हियरिंग टा डिटेल्स ए वीडियो रे मु कहि दोछि देखि।
Yes, Mr. Patnaik.
Yes, in this
कौन
case,
करिया
ମୁଁ ଗତକାଲି ଠୁ ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିସାରିଛି ଗୋଟେ from my side मतलब on behalf of the commission I have already filed a counter.
ना काउंटर मुझे वो जो भाई व्यूटा एक्सप्रेस करते
Yes.
कौन हला
that part we have tried to clarify now. In this case madam,
address that issue
yes, but in this case madam, what happened if a lawsuit will come to the corrigendum says madam the TGT ODIA is a distinct post from the TGT Arts. Now a person who was different categories of the post, there is no bar to participate in the selection post.
but there is overlapping
There is overlapping in the CBZ MPC also. In the CBZ MPC subject also, there is an overlapping. Where
then I'll interfere, Mr. I'll stay the recruitment process.
why why submitting? There is every chance of possibility for overlapping for the reason that, my lord, a person is eligible for more than two categories of the post. But in this process, my lord, not a single person is to be offered with two appointments. So also, not a single person who is less meritorious.
But another 100, that submission that you are making, another 125 persons could have been enlisted in that select list.
But my lord,
If there would not have been any overlapping.
my lord, if that overlapping will not be there, then a person will be deprived of being considered for the next post.
Why?
The other,
One has applied for ODIA and arts. You will get only.
my lord, that is what I am.
Why you will get double benefit?
No, my lord, at the time of finance selection, he will be offered with one subject, my lord. But at the time of selection, he has every right to contest for both the post. My lord, tomorrow he may not be.
You add another 125 candidates. You add another 125 candidates in the list. There should not be any overlapping. Because ultimately the post will remain vacant.
My lord, that is what, my lord, I have also discussed with them. The post is never going to be remain vacant, my lord. I am telling that. My lord, there are different stages of the selection. For the different stages of the selection, the final select which we prepared 1:1. But for the different stages, it is always more than. So, my lord, in this process,
What is the number of candidates you will call to attend the interview? And
1.5 if it is more than 50, and if it is less than 50, it is 2 times.
2 times. এটা কোন opportunity?
এটা হচ্ছে কেবল প্রিলিমিনারি, ইট ইজ ওনলি কোয়ালিফাইং ইন নেচার। তারপরে হচ্ছে মেন, তারপরে হচ্ছে ডকুমেন্ট ভেরিফিকেশন। ডকুমেন্ট ভেরিফিকেশন রে দেয়ার উইল বি সিলেকশন 1:1। এই জিনিস গুড়াকর ওভরল্যাপিং যেମିତି ହେଲେ ବି ରହିବ। ଏବେ ଖାଲି ମୁଁ I was from my side I was actually making an inquiry that there are other posts also because it is actually teacher post.
Let us take out do. Entire selection process will start. That issue should be settled. Because so many eligible candidates will be deprived because of that parijano.
No,
You go for arts.
No,
How to जो माने पाइबे अपन तो काको आर्ट्स रे देबे काको ओडिया रे देबे, it is your choice.
yes.
But by different category for ODIA, you can't club together.
ଆମେ ସେଇଟା କ୍ଲବ କରିନୁ ବୋଲି ଆଜି ଏ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଯଦି କ୍ଲବ କରିଦେଇଥାନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ ତ ଗୋଟେ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ବାହାରିଥାନ୍ତା ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ନାହିଁ
ଅଦରୱାଇଜ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ଷ୍ଟେ ଦ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ସେଟା ଓଭରଲାପିଂଟାକୁ ଆପଣ will not sort out that overlapping issue I'll stay the entire selection process କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଆସୁ ବିଚାର ହଉ ଯେତେ ବର୍ଷ ଯାହା
ନା ମୁଁ ତ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଦେଇ ସାରିଛି
ହିୟରିଂ କରିବ
ଖାଲି ମୁଁ my submission may be taken to
ନା
consideration
ନା ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ତ ଇଣ୍ଟିମେଟ୍ କରିନଥିଲି because of your instruction waiting for your instruction supporting your cause so I'll stay
because that is the procedure my lord which is prescribed there.
ঠিক আছে So you had non-counsel for the party considering the stand taken in the counter affidavit filed by counter ASC.
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday, my lord, I filed it. Three filed. My lord, hard copy is to show you.
Concerning the dispute involved and the submission made by the non-counsel to this court is inclined to issue notice on the question of admission. One extra copy on the additional government advocate who accepted notice on behalf of OP1 by tomorrow. Since copy of the petition has already been served on Mr. S.N. Patnaik, non-counsel appearing for the commission, and it is contended that a counter affidavit is already filed. No notice need be issued to OP2. So this matter we commencing 28 July. I had a notice as above.
Observers.
This is also related to the LTR examination matter. Yesterday, I received a copy from the madam.
Subject कौन है?
All subject are the prayer of the petitioner shall lordship to declare the preliminary examination the illegal lordship. Lordship, they have given the unsealed question paper in the examination hall. They have allowed the mobile phone in the examination hall.
How it can be proved, Mr. Barara?
Your lordship kindly have a glance on page 138, your lordship. They have inquiry made on the grievance of the employers of the candidates, your lordship. Inquiry, they have given grievance, inquiry made in the inquiry, your lordship, page 32. The commission has already divided candidate for 10 years not to examination of the commission, your lordship.
Yeah, what happened to this answer 8? Answer 8.
That is pending, your lordship. They have not taken any.
Mr. Patnaik,
Yes, sir.
whether you have taken a decision on answer 8?
I do not have any specific instruction on this that matter.
But this answer 8 was made by one Chinmoy Bera and Manas Mohanty. Petitioner is Sumitra Oja. You have never made any complaint?
One of the both are the petitioners. The Chinmoy Bera, one of the petitioners.
Manas Kumar Dei said serial number 8.
Yes, both are.
So what action you have taken on that complaint, Mr. Patnaik?
I have no information yet. Yesterday, I received the copy, my lord. The lordship will directly authorize
LTR, post of LTR कौन?
LTR total examination LTR lordship.
Total examination.
My lord.
अपन
तादर विभिन्न category.
कौन subject में provision?
The total 72 petitioners, all covering for
All the branches.
Yes, sir, all branches.
कौन होची commission ने कौन होची Mr. Patnaik? आपने से office में आए गले.
After going through the plaint matter, what I found.
कौन से बट्टे recruitment process जाऊँ नहीं जो तरीके High Court is not interfering. Both OPSC, Staff Selection Commission, Subordinate Staff Selection Commission. तीनटा commission they are not discharging the duty properly.
It would a new type of method, my lord, when the persons are not selected. And now this is one type of innovative method, my lord, by saying that the entire process of selection is wrong. Now, what is the allegation here, my lord? The persons, they appeared in the examination, they got the result was published, and after the publication, they found that their name.
This complaint at answer 8 was moved before the publication result or after? Answer
The
8.
result is there, my lord. They have annexed it.
Answer 8 is received on when?
That is, they have stated that it is 7/4/2025.
Yes, when the result was published.
Result is published on Annex 9, my lord. That is on 9/4/2025.
There, prior to that, they have given a complaint. It is not that after becoming unsuccessful, they have made this complaint.
My lord, the receipt, there is no date, my lord.
देखा original टा कहाँ
Lordship,
है? Answer 8
126 page lordship, immediately day after examination, the grievance made before the dharana deythile paper I have given 126 lordship, which is published on 5/4. Then second is lordship 23/3. Immediately thereafter lordship made to same office. Thereafter the inquiry made and the order has been passed lordship under Annex 5 lordship page 132.
Yes, their allegation has been found to be true to some extent because of this order at Answer 5.
Yes,
With respect to a particular person, what
Yes,
actually?
that means something has happened.
jana dhara hala.
With respect to that particular person, my lord, the steps were taken. But it is not in respect throughout the state of Odisha. It is only with respect to, when there are several instances, there are several cases, my lord. Even if in some cases, in some centers were even those are declared to be scarce. But that for that reason, the entire selection cannot be rejected. You're only one person.
No, the allegation made after the examination was over.
Yes.
To some extent, it has been found to be true.
That is with respect to Kumudini legal matter.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. And my lord, since it was brought to the notice and she was found to be involved in that particular legal activities, that is why some actions were also taken against her.
And in Annex 8, they have made a specific allegation that candidates have submitted their applications. But we continue with the same application, you are allowing them to take the test.
No, I'm not perfect. These type of incomplete applications and where the documents are not actually in proper manner, there is no provision